Hi, I'm so excited to give you a quick tutorial on how to use your Ageless sculpting wands. Thank you so much for your order. We are so excited to have you in our test group for these. So, first of all, we have two wands here. One is for the face, for bigger parts of the face, and one is for the eye area. You may have bought these together in a set. Otherwise, you can buy them separately as well. So let's go ahead and dive in and get you familiar with these. Let's start with the bigger one for the face. So you're going to do that one first. All you're going to do is pop open the cap, and then you're going to see that there's like a metal roller ball at the top. It's an applicator. So what I love about this is it really does feel like a treatment because you're going to feel that soothing part of the metal roller ball. And so what you're going to do is there's a button on the bottom. Now, the first time you use your wand, it might take you a couple tries to push the button. You will be able to see the product come up into the roller ball. So if you push it the first time or two and you're like, it doesn't look like there's anything, keep pumping a little bit and then you will see it come. So pump the bottom. You can kind of see mine there. See how it goes like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start in your forehead. So I like to evenly distribute first before I go back over it really well to all the different areas, just so I can make sure that all the areas are actually getting product and not just the roller ball. So first I kind of go through real fast, and you're going to use upward motions because that's going to kind of help to pull the wrinkles up and get rid of them. And then I just kind of go back through. And, depending on your face and your age and where you are wanting to really work on your wrinkles, you can put these anywhere. Some people want to put them more in the cheek area too. You decide. You can kind of start where you want. And so that's all you do though, is you're just going to keep rolling it in. And I just kind of do it for a while until most of it has been absorbed. You'll still have a little bit after. And you'll notice it's not sticky, feels very light, feels kind of like a moisturizer, like a light moisturizer. All right, so that's the first one. Now let's move on to the eye one, which same thing, just smaller. So the smaller one is going to be nice because it's going to let you get real close to your eye areas without having to worry about uh, not getting too close. So, all right, same thing. You're pushing the button on the bottom. The product will come up into the roller ball. And then I do the same thing. I usually start with my crow's feet, quick there, quick there. Then I go under, go in the middle. And then I go back through and I really make sure that I'm rubbing all of this in. What you'll notice too with these is that they will sculpt your face. Like you will see that your face kind of gets like leaner in areas that you do this with. So it's kind of cool too. But that's it. It is so simple. Takes me like less than a minute in the morning and at night, and that's it. And then one other thing I wanted to show you with this one, when you run out of products, you can actually just buy the refill. So you will just twist that and then it will come off. So this is the part that will come off and then you can refill. As you can see, mine is almost gone. If you just got yours is going to be much more full. So when you reorder, then you'll just fill this back up and put it together. All right, that is it. Have fun.